Voice notes are now available inside of your Mighty network, inside of space chats, direct messages, and also group chats as well. Let me show you how they work. So on web or mobile, you will be able to see this little microphone icon here. This is a chat that I have about hiking in Bend, Oregon, and Daniel said that trail looks tough and that he might need some help. And I just remembered this morning that there's actually an easier way to get to the trail that provides just an easier trail for Daniel and one that he might like better. So I'm going to go ahead and click this recording here, and I'm going to let him know about it. Hey Daniel, if you actually park at Butterfly Ridge, there's an easier trail to get to the summit. So I'm going to stop the recording here. It won't auto send. This will be the send button here, so you can review it as well. So if I go ahead and click play. Hey Daniel, if you actually park at Butterfly Ridge, there's an easier trail to get to the summit. And then I have playback speeds here, so I can slow it down or speed it up. And then if I like that, I can also scrub to a particular point in the summit in the recording here as well. So you have a little bit of flexibility there. And then if it's something that I like, I'm going to go ahead and send it. If it's not one that I like, then I'm going to discard it and then re-record it. But I think that sounds good. So I'm going to go ahead and send the recording. And then what it will do is it will start the transcript. So it won't be available right away, but we'll send it to our transcription service. And once it's available, I'll show you what it looks like here. What's great about this as well is that it will auto detect in the language that you are speaking. So if you're speaking a different language, it will auto detect that as well. Voice notes are also available inside of threads. So if you're replying to somebody, you will see it here. So you can reply with a voice note. And then they are also available inside of direct messages. If I want to send a message to Jane, or group messages as well, I can send a voice note right here. You can toggle off voice notes at the space level. It's not available at the network level, but per space, if you go into your space admin here, and then you go to chat, you'll see an option to toggle on or off voice notes, and you also can select who can create them. So if you wanted to have a space where just hosts and moderators can create them, then you could select that here. And here's the transcript. So if you click View Transcript, you'll be able to see a transcription of what I just sent Daniel. And those are voice notes. We hope that you have fun with these. And again, they are available on web and mobile today in your Mighty network.